Hello learners, welcome to Innovate Teaching Channel. In this class, we are going to discuss a concept from Inclusive Education paper. The topic is on hearing impairment. This video covers the concepts like meaning of hearing impairment, what are the definitions of hearing impairment, define deaf and hard of hearing, the characteristics of hearing impairment, types of hearing loss, their characterizations, what are the causes of hearing impairment, how can we prevent hearing impairment, and what are the national agencies working on this hearing impairment. Initially, let us define hearing impairment. Hearing is measured in decibels. It is denoted in dB. Decibels are a measurement of sound, and this sound is recorded using an audiogram. A person with normal hearing can detect sounds as quiet as 10 decibels or 15 decibels. Hearing impairment is also called deafness or hearing loss. This occurs when there is a problem with or damage to one or more parts of the internal ear. Let us see what are the statements of hearing impairment. Hearing impairment has been described as the loss of hearing, temporary or permanent, ranging from mild to profound and sometimes total deafness. This statement is given by Tennessee in the year 1996. According to the Persons with Disabilities Act 1995, it defines hearing impairment as a loss of 60 decibels or more on the better in the conversational range of frequencies. Let me define deaf. Deaf means hearing impairment, which is so severe that the student is impaired in processing linguistic information through hearing without amplification, and also which adversely, that means badly, affects education at his or her performance. Let me define hard of hearing. Hard of hearing means a hearing impairment. Deaf, hearing loss, hearing impairment, all are synonymously same. And this may be whether permanent or fluctuating. Sometimes it may fade away, sometimes it may come again, which unfavorably affects a student's education and his performance. Rehabilitation Council of Education considers hearing impairment as a loss of 70 decibels and above in the better ear, or total loss of hearing in both ears, not single ear, in both ears. What are the characteristics of hearing impairment? Let's see. The following are the characteristics. Soft sounds can't be heard, such as some speech sounds like s, p, k. Okay. And key parts of a particular speech sounds may not be audible, meaning sounds are mislead and words are misunderstood. Sounds are difficult to separate, so voices can become jumbled up with background noise. Hearing impaired children misses the tone of voice, which conveys so much. Hearing impaired child suffers the humiliation of being thought stupid. Frequent earaches may be occurring. Participation in discussion, groups, meetings, conferences, and lectures becomes impossible or difficult for hearing impaired children. Hearing impaired child is unable to do two things at the same time. For example, eating and lip reading at the same time will be unable. Hearing impaired children does not understand the reasons for decision clearly and why they are excluded from decision making. Child lacks a stimulation of discussion and debate and also the sharpness of mind. Hearing impaired child runs the risk of paranoia feelings, and the reality of being left out causes depression. Let's discuss what are the types of hearing losses. The first type is conductive hearing loss. That means the outer and middle ear both are affected. And the second type is perceptive or sensory neural hearing loss. This loss occurs due to error in cochlea. Cochlea is a fluid-filled spiral-shaped cavity in the inner ear that helps us hearing. Or any nerve in the brain which damages usually due to permanent hearing loss. The third type is congenital hearing loss. Congenital in the sense by birth. So the The newborn baby gets hearing loss by birth itself. And the fourth type is adventitious hearing loss. The child gets hearing loss after the birth. Before the birth or during the birth is congenital. And adventitious is after the birth. Prelingual hearing loss means that occurs before the language is developed. The period of child may be between 0 to 2 years. Postlingual hearing loss type occurs after the language has begun to develop. The period starts from 2+ years. Let us discuss the categorization of hearing loss. This slide, HL indicates hearing loss. Based on the types of hearing loss, the following categorization as the degree of hearing loss is made. This table shows different degrees of hearing loss. It ranges from 10 to 91 plus decibels. Normal hearing loss is from 10 to 15 decibels. Slight hearing loss is from 16 to 25 decibels. Mild hearing loss is from 26 to 40 decibels. Moderate hearing loss is from 41 to 55 decibels. Moderate severe hearing loss is from 56 to 70 decibels. Severe hearing loss is from 71 to 90 decibels. Finally, profound hearing loss is above 91 decibels. So what are the main causes for this hearing loss? One of the cause may be due to conductive loss. For example, say some obstructions in the outer ear or due to excess wax or foreign bodies inside the ear. The other cause may be sensory neural loss like accidents, infections, environmental hazards, medications, old age issues, some diseases, miscellaneous causes. That means other external causes. Then how to prevent this hearing loss, hearing impairment? National efforts for prevention of this hearing impairment was immunization, National Iodine Deficiency Disorder Control Program, which abbreviates for NIDDCP, Child Survival and Safe Motherhood Program CSSM, National Nutritional Policy Program, National Awareness Program, etc. These are few of the national agencies. The other national agencies which work on this hearing impairment and hearing handicapped children are AYJNIHH, which abbreviates Ali Yavar Jung National Institute for Hearing Handicapped Children. This is a national level body of Government of India, is actively involved in implementing primary preventive measures. Also, it creates awareness by holding workshops, seminars and conferences through electronic and private media. Very great, right? All India Institute of Speech and Hearing. This is located at Mysore, and in Bangalore, Indian Institute of Speech and Hearing is located. RCI Rehabilitation Council of India, RCI is initiated a national-wide orientation program for the PHC, Primary Health Center. Okay learners, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. I'm signing off. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our INNOVATE Teaching Channel.